Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to lock your Netflix profile. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. My Netflix section, you will see your current Netflix profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the Manage Profiles option from the bottom of your screen. Now, select the profile that you want to lock. In the profile settings, you will see the profile lock option. Tap on it to make the changes. Next, tap on the Create a Profile Lock option. You will be prompted to enter your Netflix account password. Type it in and proceed. Finally, create a 4-digit PIN that will be required to access this profile. Your profile is now locked and secure. And that's it. This is how you can lock your Netflix profile. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.